Hazrat Ubaidullah bin Abdullah and Salim bin Abdullah report, when the troops of Hajjaj had attacked Hazrat ibn Zubair, they both requested Hazrat Abdullah bin Umar radiyallahu anhu, there is no harm if you do not perform Hajj this year, because we fear that they will intervene you and Allah's house. He said, we set out in the company of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. The infidels belonging to the Quraysh prevented us from Allah's house. So the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam sacrificed his sacrificial animal and shaved his head. I make you a witness that I have enjoined Umrah on myself, and insha'Allah I will go. If I am allowed to go to Allah's house, I will perform the tawaf, and if they intervene between me and it, I will do the same what Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam did, and I was along with him. So he put on the ihram for the Umrah from Dhul Hulayfa. After proceeding for a while, he said, both are just same. So I make you a witness that I have enjoined myself Hajj along with my Umrah. So he did not take off the ihram till he sacrificed on the day of sacrifice, and said, one must not take off the ihram until one performs tawaf on the day one enters Makkah Mukarramah. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 1807.